Hello, guys. Hope you all are doing good. Today, I came with the new idea on the series. That is, I want to introduce you the new framework in NestJs. If you are not already familiar with, or if you haven't heard it already, so NestJs is an progressive Node.js framework. It is used for building efficient, reliable, and scalable server-side applications. I have been using it since last 2 years. I have been still using it, and it's I find it quite good for quickly spin up the server or spin up the chat or anything. It has any good documentation and plugin and good plugin and plug out support, so we don't have to do everything from scratch, add everything from the basics. So it has already some boilerplates, some basics, some decorators, so we can use of that, and it really makes the development fast. So uh, knowing all these and having been used since 2 years, I feel the urge to introduce it to you as well, and then also discuss few things in this fraternity. No, like. I want to discuss something like Twitter integration, Twitter OAuth integration in SJS, and all those things. But before that, I want to talk about the basics and the fundamentals of SJS. So here I am. So just today I'm going to say just hello, and I expect the same from you guys as well. Okay, let's explore a few things from the NestJs site itself, and I think you have already seen it's already on your screen. So let's go through it. It's a few things. Let's first go through its source code in the GitHub. If I think this is their GitHub, and it is. It is the framework that mostly supports microservice, and then also obviously it supports the monolithic application, but microservice is so easier with this. It has the concept of library and applications, and we can make multiple applications or sub apps, and then also we can keep the common things in the libraries, or whatever. We can make own architecture, but this is so good, guys. Trust me, give it a try if you haven't already worked or used it. You should try it, and it has a feature is CLI, that is NestJs CLI. So you can create whole bunch of the whole bunch of the crowds, or the resources in itself. Something like we can make the set of the resources, like the GraphQL endpoints, all the resources, and then WebSockets and whatnot. Give it a try. It does worth it. So talking about it, it has 51.1k stars. Oh, can you believe it? 51.1k stars, and then it has been forked 6,000 times. And then there are 230 tags. That means there are that much of aspexes or releases or updates, you know. And there are 35 pull requests. And these are the major. Okay, and the major contributors are Camille. I think he have made this. And then another one was okay, used by contributors. So first one is Camille, is the major co-founder, and other one is, I think this is the bot. Who is another major contribution? Michael Wicks. Okay. Then that is not the big deal. You can, but just to give kudos on the contributors for such a good framework, you know. Yeah. So these are the sponsors and these are the backers. Okay, and let's go through the documentation, what's possible with it. Also, good thing about Nest is they have courses. They made their self. There are other extra. There are courses from the third party as well, but this one is good. From their one, they have a NestJs fundamentals, and then I guess there is a GraphQL in depth, so you can take help of that. So NestJs is obviously a framework on top of Node.js, and yeah, Nest and T means TypeScript. It is also a TypeScript based framework, and then also I guess Nest. Nest is best coupled with the type ORM, but obviously it supports other ORMs like Prisma, SQLite, and so on. And this is the next CLI that I was talking about. You can create project with Nest new. You have to first install the next CLI, and then also otherwise you can make use of this npx, and then create new project with a Nest new with a project name. And then other things are it have something like segregation in controllers, providers, modules, middle OS, exception filters, pipes, guards, interceptors, and custom decorators. Obviously, we can add custom decorators. So these are the things we can do, and also we can see the GraphQL, WebSocket, microservices, and then standalone apps, and then also the documentation is easier with this open API specification with this Swagger. That is so easy. If we mostly in the Node.js, if on the Express we have to make everything, build everything from the scratch, right? But it has already come up with the at least basic things in every regard, something like documentation, something like this app generation, sub apps, and also these authentication parts, these guards, interceptors for modifications, request response modifications, and then exception filters for validations, and such, and also middleware for filtering, and also making elegant and making the code reusable. Also, it has the concept of modules, app modules, sub app modules, library modules, and so on. And also there is the concept of providers and decorators. So this framework is, it works. I have already mentioned it works. It worth giving it a try and using it on your next major project. So yeah, you can try it. Yeah, its current version is version 8. So give it a try, guys. And another thing what I am thinking is to bring a series of videos on some of the things, like it's individually, something like on the fundamentals, and on the specific resources, something like GraphQL, REST, database setup, server setup, and then multi-app, sub-app, microservice setup, WebSockets, and these message brokers, all those things. I want to bring a series of videos on those topics. So what do you think, guys? Let me know. Let's comment. Please comment that on the comment section, and I'll take care of them. I'll try to address those comments. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, and I'll help you if I can on those topics. Okay, guys, that's all, and I will see you next time, and I'll collect your feedbacks, and then we'll start working on this. Okay, guys, until next time, bye bye, have a good day.